Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to disable Foodpanda notifications on your mobile device. To disable Foodpanda notifications, open your Foodpanda app on your device first. And once you do that, make sure that you're logged in. From the homepage of Foodpanda, tap on the account button at the bottom right corner, and then from the account tab, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will then bring up this menu on the screen. To disable push notifications, simply toggle off the button right next to receive push notification. If you want to disable email offers as well, you can toggle the button right next to it. And you can also disable the floating icon. And after you do that, you have successfully disabled Foodpanda notifications or alerts on your mobile device. You won't receive any more interruptions from Foodpanda. You can always turn them back on if you change your mind by getting to this page and turning on the buttons. So that was how you easily disable push notifications from Foodpanda application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.